What's up guys? Today I will be kickstarting your DeFi journey. For storing your crypto assets, for you to interact with any DeFi protocols or any projects, you need to have a wallet. And there are many wallets like Metamask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, etc. But I personally use Metamask. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before getting started, since this is my new YouTube channel, I want your support guys. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button cause more subscribers I get, more motivation for me to add value in your crypto journey. So let's get started. So I will be showing you how to get started with MetaMask wallet. First, you open your browser. I am using my Chrome browser. Then search for metamask.io. It will take you to the MetaMask page. And here you can find download icon. Click on the download icon. And here there is an option called install MetaMask for Chrome. If you are a Windows user, then select Chrome, and if you are an Apple user, go for iOS, and if you are downloading it in mobile phone means click on Android. I am going to click on install MetaMask for Chrome. Then it will take me to extensions tab, then add to Chrome, and click on add extension. Yes, now my extensions has been added, and here you can see some puzzle shaped icon. Click on that, and here you can find MetaMask. You can pin this MetaMask extension so that it will be always visible in the taskbar. Yes, welcome to MetaMask. Now let's get started. And if you already have a MetaMask wallet, you can import your wallet by clicking on import wallet. And if you want to create your new wallet, if you are new to MetaMask, then click on create wallet. I'm going to click on create wallet, and you can read this, and after reading this you can click on I agree, and here enter your password for MetaMask wallet. I'm going to enter mine, and I'm going to click on this checkbox and create. And you can watch this video if you want. I'm going to skip this. That video is for the secret recovery phrase only. Actually, if you are in crypto, you somewhere heard of what's called public key and a private key. Public key is nothing but your wallet address. You can share your public key with anyone so that the people with your public key can send cryptos to your wallet. And private key is nothing but this secret recovery phrase. Using the secret recovery phrase only, you can back up your account if you forget your password, or if you want to open this MetaMask on some other system account. Now I'm going to click on reveal this secret recovery phrase, and this is my recovery phrase. It will contain 12 words. And don't worry guys, this is not my original account. This is just a backup account or a dubbing account. Now please take a piece of paper and write these 12 words. Don't take a picture in your mobile, or don't write it down in mobile phone, because using this recovery phrase anyone can use your crypto. So please write it down in paper. Then after that click on next, and in this tab you need to arrange those 12 words orderly. Wait guys, this will take a minute. After entering the 12 words, click on confirm. Congratulations guys, your MetaMask wallet has been created. Then click on all done. You can close this tab, and when you open a new MetaMask wallet, in default it will be in Ethereum network. As a beginner, I suggest you not go for Ethereum network because the gas fees in Ethereum mainnet will be huge. So as a beginner, I suggest you go for Binance Smart Chain or Polygon network or any other network. Now this is how the interface will look like, and let's set up your wallet. click on this icon and go for settings. And here you need to select your currency. For example, I am from India and I'm going to select INR. Yeah, and select primary currency as fiat currency. Yeah, that's it guys. Then go for advanced, and you can sync this with mobile so that when you open Metamask on your wallet on your mobile, you don't have to go by all these steps. You can simply sync with your mobile. And there is an option called contact. Actually, this is for example, if you are trying some cryptos to your friend regularly on daily basis, you need to enter his wallet address daily. But if you add his wallet address to this contact and give a name to it, you can simply click on that person's name and you can send cryptos without adding the wallet. So it will make you guys easier. Then security and privacy. And guys, if you forget or if you lost a piece of paper containing that recovery phrase, you can click on this reveal secret recovery phrase. And networks, and here only guys you can add your new network. For example, if you want to add Binance Smart Chain means you can add it here. You can click on add a network, you can add it here. Yeah guys, and that's it. Can close this. And now we have created our Metamask wallet and we are in Ethereum network. Now we need to add coins to the network. For example, if someone sends you Matic to our account, to our wallet, it will not show here because we don't have Matic. We don't have Matic here, we only have Ethereum here. So for adding Matic to this network, you need to go to CoinMarketCap. Then for example, I'm going to add Matic to this network. Yeah, here it is. Click on this Polygon Matic, and here you can find an option. You can find a Metamask symbol here, and when you click on add to Metamask, it will get added to Metamask. Yeah, add token. Now when you go to your wallet, see here Matic has been added. So if someone sends Matic to your wallet, then it will show here, but before it will show here. And in the same way, if someone sends you USDT to this wallet, since there is no visual representation of USDT here, you may think that your money is lost. No, your money will be there in your wallet, but only the visual representation of USDT will not be there. So for adding that, as I said, you need to go for CoinMarketCap, and there you need to find USDT, and in USDT there will be option to add it to Metamask. That is one step. Another step for adding tokens is click on this import tokens down here. When you click on this import token, search for Tether. Here you can find USDT. Click on this USDT and click on next. Import tokens. Now USDT will also get added as a visual representation to your wallet. And if you want to add PancakeSwap, you need to have Binance Smart Chain because PancakeSwap runs on Binance Smart Chain. So for adding Binance Smart Chain, go to Smart Chain, then type RPC, then click on enter. Here you can see connecting Metamask to Binance Smart Chain. Click on this, and when you scroll down, you can find something called Mainnet, and here you can find network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and block explorer URL. Then go to your wallet, and here click on this and click on add network, and here you can find add network, new RPC URL and all. Then you can copy this network name and paste it here, and new RPC URL, you can copy this new RPC URL Sorry, my bad. And paste it in RPC URL. And chain ID is 56. And symbol is BNB and block explorer URL. BNB. Then click on save. Now your Binance Smart Chain has been added here. And guys, for adding network to your wallet, there is a hack. For that, let's go to chainlist.org, chainlist.org, and you click on enter. This will take you to this website, and here you need to connect your wallet, Metamask wallet, by clicking on connect wallet. Now your wallet will be connected here. And after connecting here, you can find these much different types of networks, and you can add any network to your wallet by clicking on add to Metamask. When I click on add to Metamask, this Phantom Opera will get added. For example, let's see. I'm going to click add network. Then I'm going to approve it. So it will be very easy for you guys to add network within 30 seconds. And guys, you may wonder what exactly is a blockchain network, because here you can find Ethereum Mainnet and Binance Smart Chain network and all. A blockchain network is an ecosystem of decentralized applications using which we can interact with DeFi, NFTs and metaverse. This is nothing but a network. And here you can find something called show or hide testnets. When you click on this, there is an option to show testnets. I'm going to turn it on. And when I go back to the networks, I can find many networks like Robston Test Network, Kovan Test Network, Rinkeby Test Network, Gorley Test Network, etc. And these are all test network, and Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain are all mainnet. The difference between a testnet and a mainnet is a testnet is a prototype of blockchain network used by developers for developing and testing. And funds on a test network, for example, if I have one Ethereum on that testnet means that is not real. So Ethereum on testnet is not real. That's only for testing purposes. And mainnet is completely developed by blockchain network for users to transact the real cryptos. So funds on mainnet is only real. So let's add some funds to the Ethereum test network, and we can do some transactions for understanding how a transaction works. So let's select a Robston test network, and there is a website called faucet.paradigm paradigm.xyz. And when you click on enter, you need to sign in with Twitter, your Twitter account. This website will give you free Ethereum coins or Ethereum tokens for in your test network for testing purposes. I'm going to give authorize up, and here you need to enter your wallet address. I'm going to copy my wallet address. This is my wallet address. I'm going to paste it here and click on claim. Yeah, now my token has been claimed, but it will take some time to reflect here. So let's wait for a minute. Yeah, now it has been added. My Ethereum has been added to my test network. And guys, let's send some Ethereum from my testnet to some other testnet. So for sending your Ethereum, you need to click on send, and here you need to paste the address of the recipient. So I'm going to send this Ethereum to my another account. So I'm going to copy the wallet address of my another account, and I'm going to paste it here. After pasting your wallet address, there is something called amount. Here you need to amount how much Ethereum you wish to send. I'm going to send 0.5 Ethereum, and after clicking on next, you can see how much gas fees will it take for sending 0.5 Ethereum. For sending 0.5 Ethereum, the gas fees is 0.000041, and you can edit your gas fees here. And here there are three options, low, medium and high. If you wish your gas fees is low, means you need to select low, but there is some drawback with low. If you select low, means your transaction will take more time, and if you select high, means your gas fees will be high but your transaction will happen within 15 seconds. I'm going to select this option. I'm going to click on save. After this, I'm going to click on confirm. Now my transaction is pending, and when you click this transaction, there is some option called view on block explorer. Etherscan.io is one of the best block explorer for seeing the transactions that is happening on Ethereum network. And now here you can see the status of my transaction is success. So the Ethereum from my testnet of one account has been successfully sent to the testnet of another account, and you can see various other details in the block explorer. And you can also see other people's balances by entering their public address here. For example, I'm going to enter my public address itself. I'm going to copy my address and I'm going to enter it here. When I click on search, here I can see every transactions that has happened in this account, and I can also see how much balance do I have. So this is how you can send cryptocurrencies to different wallets. And there is something called swap option. This is called a Metamask swap. This is a built-in feature that lets you swap tokens directly from your wallet. Swap combines data from multiple decentralized exchanges or DEXs to ensure Metamask users always gets the best price with the lowest network fees. For example, if I click on swap, here you need to enter how much Ethereum I wish to swap. I'm going to enter 0.01 Ethereum, which is nothing but 2344 rupees. And here I can search for the token that needs to be swapped. I'm going to go for USDT. And when I click on review swap, it will take some time. Here you can see how much USDT you will gain for 0.01 Ethereum. For 0.01 Ethereum, you will gain 29.35 USDT tokens off. And the estimated gas fees for this swapping is 0.00007 Ethereum, which is nothing but 15.27 rupees. And when you click on swap, now your token has been successfully swapped. Now click on close, and here you can see the activity. This is successful. And that's it guys about MetaMask. And if you are here till the end, then there is a surprise for you. Since this is my new YouTube channel, I am going to do a giveaway, and all you need to do is create a MetaMask wallet and then add Binance Smart Chain to it, and then add BUSD token to that address, and then comment your wallet address down in the comment section below. And I will be doing a $50 giveaway when I reach 1000 subscribers for 10 people who watch my video regularly.